Good evening, everyone. We were just waiting for some more people to attend. So we are just starting now. Uh, I welcome all of you to the launch of the second chapter of the NKN. So I would just like to introduce myself. Myself, Kanu Jain, National Director for the NKN. I am a postgraduate in nutrition and dietetics and public health nutrition with the experience of more than 16 years in multinationals and pharmaceutical companies. I have worked with companies like Sanofi, Aventis, GSK, CH, Unilever, Vexalta, Takeda, and brands like Horlicks. So let us just get to know the scope of NKN, which is Nutritional Knowledge Network. So just a second. Let us just talk about the market opportunity, as in what is the scope and how good the market is that we can capture. So as you all know that with the growing pandemic, the future is online. People have become more and more comfortable with the counseling and nutritional counseling. And I guess if you talk about nutrition counseling, uh, virtual setup is very much possible. So the market that we see mostly, if we talk about the people in the age group of 30 to 70, they have many ailments like BP, diabetes, cardiac arrest, and other fatal diseases. And they also may die prematurely because of these associated ailments. As you can all see, the survey in the slide mentioned, the number is increasing every year from 30 to 50%. If we talk about the urban population, they're more or less interested in the lifestyle health related modifications, wellness, fitness, weight loss, etc. So here comes our role with such a big market size and opportunity. The nutritional platform is future if we talk about the virtual setup. Our horizons are wider in the terms of counseling. So with the NKN, if we do not prepare our am I audible to all? Yeah. So if we do not prepare ourselves for the future, we would not grow. So let us grow together with the NKN and be independent and be an entrepreneur and be the master of yourself and run your own business and be associated with the market and its growing trends. So what is NKN? NKN is professional networking group that will allow us to learn about the online industry, to change our mindset from an employee to an entrepreneur. It will help us to ascertain the scenario of the industry, guide you about the technology, updates about the virtual setup under the expert professional guidance. Being a healthcare professional, I believe all must be prepared for every circumstance. So let us prepare for the new normal and empower ourselves to be an entrepreneur. And with NKN, I think you can all avail a lifelong learning and recognition in the industry. So let us earn and learn together. So with this, I would like to welcome Lubina Sharma. She is the director of our very first chapter, very successful chapter. So Lubina, over to you if you would like to share something. Lubina?
Yeah. Hi, Kanu. Hello, everyone. I was on mute. So, good afternoon, one and all. I'm Lubina Sharma. It's a great feeling to introduce myself on this amazing platform. Okay, I'm Lubina Sharma, clinical nutritionist. I have done my masters and I have done my master in food and nutrition, and I have done some specialized courses related to public health. I have 13-year plus experience in this nutrition and healthcare industry. I had worked with Referral and Research Hospital Delhi Kent, Army Base Hospital Delhi Kent, Elder Pharmaceuticals Mumbai, Celebrity Nutritionist with Anjali Mukherjee in Mumbai. I have catered my services basically in Mumbai, but I have a clients on pan India level, and I have clients overseas too. So I'm privileged to be a part of NKN, which is Nutrition Knowledge and Network. And being a director, it's my responsibility to take this chapter on a new height. So as we have launched our chapter and we are getting superb response of this NKN as well, right? NKN is learn and grow. And NKN is basically, I will say, it is a professional group that empowers dietitian to learn about online industry and how virtual counseling is the future. Okay, so it's a quick summary of NKN only. There are a lot of things to understand, but it's just a quick summary. And how we are taking it further. So every week for an hour session will be happening where we have planned to invite network professionals so that we get to know market related knowledge regarding our field. In this, we'll be calling some doctor of different categories like general physicians, gynec, orthopediatric, and many more other. We'll be putting focus that how nutrition is important in healthcare industry and where we nutritionists are lacking. Next is this that we'll be calling some corporate related person who will be focusing like how corporate people or office goers are leading with nutritional deficiencies and how we nutrition can connect to corporate people and we can do some tie up with them to make them aware how we can learn them or we can tell them to lead a healthy lifestyle. After this, uh, in short, I will say we have our nutrition knowledge in our hand or a degree in our hand, but how to generate references, how to be our own brand, how to deal with market strategies, how to connect to professionals, how to become employed to an entrepreneur, that all will be guiding in NKN. There, different people will be there who will be guiding us to be our own. Thank you so much. That's it from me.
Thank you so much, Lubina. With this, I would also like to welcome Archana. She will be handling our third chapter for which we will be launching the next week. So, Archana, can you please introduce yourself and what are your expectations? Archana, are you there?
Yeah. I was there. Actually, I was unable to unmute.
No
Hi.
problem.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Myself, Archana Gupta. Did my master's in food and nutrition in 1993 from GV Pant University. Afterwards, I did my post PGD&D from ISCA Chennai, and I'm having around 17 to 18 years of experience in the field of schools, institutions, colleges, as well as with the hospitals. I have worked with so many pharmaceutical companies, along with that some institutions and hospitals as a consultant dietitian and dietary manager, and afterwards the HOD of the department as well, along with the available online around the world even. Presently, I am catching schools, institution, corporates in Delhi NCR. Because of the Corona COVID pandemic, we are really suffering our businesses and so many things through the 6 or 7 months a lot. So we have started the Know Your Food, and really I'm very thankful to the platform. I have enjoyed a lot with the Know Your Food, doing the so many live sessions with them and connecting to the people throughout the India. And now I'm going to become a director of the Fireworks, and really we are going to ignite the world with our knowledge through the platform of this NKN. And we are just sharing you all about the NKN in details through our other directors, and we all welcome you all on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Archana. With this, I would like to welcome Dhara Bhatt. She will be handling the second chapter for the NKN She Unite. So let's welcome the director for the second chapter, She Unite. She will give you more details about the NKN, how it will be helpful to us, and let us just welcome her. Dhara, over to you, please.
Thank you, Kanu. Hello, everyone. Very good evening and a warm welcome to launching our very second chapter, She Unites. This is Dietitian Dhara Bhatt. I'm the director of ANCAN, chapter second, that is She Unites. I have done my BSc PhD from MS University, Baroda, and DY from Delhi, and PGDD from SP University, Anand. I am having total 12 years of experience in this line with various multi-speciality hospitals and my own business as well. I have experienced various types of patients and clients, like very having very challenging जैसे बहुत ही that gives you very good experience, gives you very good challenging work, and gives you very good experience. So with this all I had great journey till 12 years and continuing like till now, and will like to have continuing further also. um, if I talk about importance of dietitian, हमारा importance ये है कि like we can change anyone's life in a better way. We are healthcare providers. We can change life by giving food as of therapy, as of medicine. By lifestyle modification, anyone's can get better life, you know, disease-free life. So we can have that power that we can change anyone's life, but for that we need to prove ourselves. For that we need to upgrade ourselves, update ourselves, and we should know how to handle clients, patient, how to grow ourselves in a better way, how to have business in this, how to earn. If and, I go further, like I felt many online platforms are there in market, social media especially like Facebook, Instagram, and many of that. No, by no 12 साल में I felt that social media is like anything that can do anything for you. वहां से मुझे अब तक इतना रिस्पांस मिला है, इतना रिस्पांस मिला है, आई कैन गेट बेस्ट patients, best clients out of it. And इसमें further that I introduced with KYF, and KYF also supported me very well. And finally, by my experiences, I have taken responsibility to lead myself for you to grow your to grow you and me as well, and to take you all as a same platform. Whatever I have done till date and doing right now, you also can do. It is very much possible, and with the help of NKN, I can tell you, to be entrepreneur from job or employee, from an employee, because nowadays many of us are now having job mindset, like job करना है, फिक्स सैलरी है, एक मंथ में फिक्स डेट पे आ जाती है, फिक्स इनकम है, by that we can plan our budget, social budget or anything like. So we are not thinking beyond that, and Ancan is like beyond that. So if you want to grow yourself, and if you want to leave your job and be entrepreneur yourself, so this is the best platform for you. And if we are looking into the various kinds of consequences and comparison, like what is job and what is business mindset. So job is like having fixed salary, but business is like not that. It is like whatever and whenever you work for, you are getting accordingly. That is unlimited income is there. Then in job you don't have any growth, because certain limitations, in certain limitations you have to work. आपको बहुत ही बहुत ही लिमिटेशंस में काम दिया जाता है कि आपको बस पेशेंट का ये काम करना है, वो काम करना है, जस्ट गो एंड पंच ऑन टाइम, punch out on time, go and do certain fixed work over there. But it is it's not in business. In business it is like you can grow like anything. जैसे जितना आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे, जैसे आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड रखोगे, जैसे आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करोगे, accordingly you will get benefits out of it. And in job mindset, like it is it doesn't have any identity for you. It is like आप जिसके लिए काम कर रहे हो, आप उसके ही नाम के लिए काम कर रहे हो. Whatever you are doing is ultimately that institution or organization only gets no fame. You will not. But in business, it is not like that. In business, you will be like your own brand. आपका नाम खुद बनेगा, आपकी आइडेंटिटी बनेगी, and it's like your entity. And इसकी वजह से ही you will be getting clients, patient, and ultimately earning as well. In job you have limitations to explore yourself, like certain industries or certain organization and institution have contract that whenever you're working with them, you can't do out of that institution or organization's work. आप बाहर कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो, otherwise they'll terminate you or anything. But in business it is not like that. There is no limitations, there is no barriers. You can explore, you can expand yourself like anything. कोई barriers नहीं है आपके लिए. But whenever we talk about consequences of job and business, so job and business, it is like though job is having fixed income, but in business it is not fixed income. Okay, जितना आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करोगे, जितना आप अपने आप को एक्सपैंड करोगे, जितना आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड करोगे नॉलेज वाइज, जितना आप अपने आप को ट्रेन करोगे, अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी गेटिंग इनकम. Okay, business is like it is in your hand, but job is not like that. In job there is no security nowadays because most of the sectors are private sectors, and whenever they want they can terminate us, like whenever they feel कि हमें employee की जरूरत नहीं, we can run without them, so immediately they can kick out us. But in business it is not like that, it is our own only. See, many of us are working from home, especially in this pandemic. This working from home gets highly trend, and this is very much beneficial for such ladies or such girls or such women जो बाहर मार्केट से काम नहीं कर रही है, who have degree of dietitian, who can work as a dietitian, who can work as a nutritionist, who can as a healthcare provider. तो उसके लिए बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है. तो आप अपने आप को घर बैठे बैठे भी अपने टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली ही आप अपने आप को ग्रो कर सकते हो आराम से. ठीक है, एंड अपने आप को ग्रो करने के साथ साथ आप अर्निंग भी कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टाइम, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. बी योर ओन बॉस. इफ यू वांट टू बी योर ओन ब्रांड, तो आपको ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. हियर वी आर विथ Ancan. Ancan is like, if we talk about Ancan is like we are focusing on learning, networking, brand exposure, and business mindset. Like we are making a person ready for this, all these things. In Ancan, we help in its members to get updated with the latest news and industry trends, which develop their confidence. See, without confidence, anyone can't do anything. Confidence is must. अगर आपको खुद पे विश्वास नहीं होगा, तो आपको कितनी भी फैसिलिटीज दी जाए, आपको कितना भी फैसिलिटेट किया जाए, यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. आपको अपने बैरियर तोड़ के, अपने लिमिट्स को तोड़ के, अपने लिमिट्स को पुश करके, यू हैव टू गो बियॉन्ड दैट, एंड आपको बाहर निकल के सबको हाथ में लेना है, एंड देन ओनली यू कैन डू समथिंग. नेटवर्क. social media, it's the best thing that I have felt in my career. So and can provide you best network that how you can explore yourself, how can expand yourself as best dietitian, helps to create a network where you can connect with direct different dietitians across the globe. That helps you learn more. Like you can connect nationally, you can connect internationally. Nowadays to connect with each other is being very much easy. So network is there for you in Ancan. In branding, we focus on it's Ancan. It's a kind of a mechanism which provides you very much good platform to create your own brand and help you to become more professional, because professionalism should be there to be a best entrepreneur. Exposure. Exposure is like virtual platforms are the best way to start your own journey, your own experience, your own business, where you can earn more and become a famous dietitian, become a famous healthcare provider, become a famous nutritionist. And with business mindset, in the in this full of opportunity, we can get uh, hello, hello.
Yes, yes, we can hear you, Dhara.
Okay. So actually, I was just disconnected. I thought, okay, hello. And business mindset in this full of opportunity of surroundings, we can make our own place in this growing industry, and can become a helping hand for you. They can train you, they can give you upgraded or updation, and can will give you guidance where you can lead life professionally and grab yourself up with the upcoming opportunities. So to be an entrepreneur, you should know क्या क्या जरूरी है, क्या जरूरी नहीं है. जो जरूरी नहीं है, just leave that things, and क्या क्या जरूरी है आपके लिए to be yourself, वो आपको करने की जरूरत है. And for that, Ancan is there for you. So we are there as a team. हमें टीम में काम करना है with cooperation, with coordination. So let's start, guys, having our great introduction. We are having a helpline number. If you have any query, confusion, or any doubts regarding anything, so we are having a helpline number which has been shared in group. आपको ग्रुप में शेयर किया जाएगा and you can connect with that. आपको जो भी query है, you can ask to them. You will be answerable. So let's start with introduction.
Also, thank you so much, Dhara.
Thank you so much.
If anyone is having any queries regarding the session, regarding NKN, you're most welcome to please open up and ask. You all can see the helpline number on the screen. You can also connect to that for any kind of assistance, queries. And right now also, if you have any queries, please open up and ask, please.
Join audio.
Also in the chat box, you must be able to see the form, Google form. Please fill in that up if you would want to have more details about the NKN. So please fill up that form and you would get a call back regarding all the details. So please keep filling in that form and keep noting down the number if you would want to call us. Any queries, please?
Ma'am, I can't see the form. Where it is?
In the chat box, if you can see, there is the link for the form constantly being shared on the chat. So please go on the chat and you can fill in the form.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, there is no link.
Can you
It is there in chat box. It is there in chat box.
No, actually, it is not seen. Like, there is no link there.
Can you all see
Yeah,
my
it is
screen? There is this form. Can you all see?
No, ma'am, I think you have not shared to everyone.
Just a second. I'm sharing it once again. If you can now let me know if you all can see. Now, if everyone can see once again.
Yeah, we can see it right now.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So anyone has any queries regarding the NKN, anything, please ask us. We are there to help. We are there for any assistance, anything you have any queries regarding the NKN. Or you can always give us a call back or fill in the form and we will call you back.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Guys, please be open up. जो भी है पूछ लो. जो भी question raise हो रहा है मन में. Whatever you want to ask, you can.
Guys, hope you can all see the helpline number on the screen.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So, for any queries, the enrollment process, how can you be the member of this NKN and how can you avail the services? What will be the sessions? वो sessions में कौन आने वाला है? कैसे आपके लिए helpful होंगे? You can all contact us on this number so that you can get all the details कि आपके लिए कितना beneficial रहेगा ये session. And I think if you try this concept of NKN and networking, you all will have a benefit of understanding what this process is. And once you know about it, I know that you would definitely want to try this. So there is no harm in trying. So once you go about it and you know the benefits and you will know yourself कि आप अपने आप को brand में कैसे establish कर सकते हो, how आपके पास maximum clients कैसे आ सकते हैं. So this is the opportunity. So make the best out of it. Call us so that you can all avail the benefit.
कहने तो मैं पूछ लो. मैं क्या पूछूं?
Yeah, hi, ma'am. Aditi Jain this side. Hello. Hello.
Hello, hi Aditi.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just
Aditi,
wanted.
see.
Yeah, I just wanted to know how NKN will help to bring the clients to us, and what will be the steps and the procedures, how it will help us.